Welcome, and in this video we are going to discuss context switch. A processor may switch from one process to another in a multitasking environment whenever required because of switching from user mode to kernel mode or because of the current process requiring some IO services or because of an interrupt. In any of the scenario, before switching to any other process, the processor must store the values of the current processor register to the process control block and updates the state of the current process to waiting, which is known as state save. And then the values of the process control block of the new process must be loaded onto the processor, and the state in the PCB must be updated to running before execution, which is known as state restore. This task of state save and state restore is known as context switch, which must be done for each time a processor switching from one process to another. The speed of context switch varies from machine to machine depending on the speed of memory. Okay, that's all for this video, and we are going to discuss more about context switch on the upcoming videos. Thank you.